Golden Harvest soybean GH3192XF is a versatile product with aggressive yield potential. It is a flexible variety for any soil type or drainage situation. However, it excels in high-yielding environments. GH3192XF has solid emergence, so it can handle early planting and no-till acres. It is a broadly adapted soybean to position on any soil type, soil texture, or organic matter levels. While it has the agronomics and defensive characteristics to handle a variety of environments, this is a soybean that thrives on your most productive acres. GH3192XF is an XtendFlex soybean variety. This product also brings protection against soybean cyst nematode. GH3192XF is all about yield potential. Plant it early and plant it on your most productive acres, and you will enjoy the results at harvest.